Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get a best coupon codes for Scuf, then this video is for you. So here you can find 3 websites that can actually provide you best working and updated coupon codes that you can use to get some exciting deals and offers. So here is you can find the game details, the coupon code details from here. Now you can simply click on show coupon code and you can reveal this coupon code from here. Now simply click on copy and it will automatically redirect you to the Scuf where you can actually redeem this coupon code when you are purchasing any item. Now second one is simply codes, where you can also find some coupon codes that with the success rates and the verification status here. Let me show you. It has just gone here, so we are going to put back. Now here is the verify. If you find this verified, that means it has used by some people, and here is the users time. So the last users time also here that used today. Now simply click on get code and you can find the code revealed on here. Now simply click on copy to copy this code from here, and you can use this button to get to the Scuf website where you can actually use this code. Now the third one is Tenor Team, that where you can find the scufgaming.tenorteam.com/coupon, where you can also find some exciting deals and coupons and the verification time and the users details also. Now from here to simply click on get code and you can find the code from here. Simply click on copy button again to copy this code. Now you can try on these 3 platforms one by one to get a working code, because sometimes some codes might be not working because they have just expired or the use limit has just reached. So you have to try all of this code one by one, so make sure and check which one actually works for you. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.